Okay, so Harvey, we want to ask you today what your opinion on Plasmawr's notion of peace is and how Plasmawr is working to promote peace in our society.
I reckon Plasmawr is a good school which promotes equality and helps people in bad situations. Alright, Plasmawr also provides support for families who are in need and also supports children who are having a tough time learning and being disciplined in school. Yeah, good.
Okay, so Oshan, what do you think is the best way to tackle bad behaviour?
Well, I think the best way to tackle bad behaviour is instead of having the teachers shout at the children, it's just talk to them and try to just see what causes them to behave badly.
Do you say this by personal experience?
I do.
Okay.
Well, personally, from past experience, when I've been in quite a bit of trouble, the way the teachers deal with it sometimes isn't the best. Like, the way they explain it to you, it just makes you more angry and want to behave worse for the teachers because you don't actually care what the teachers have to say.
So, Manon, how do you think that Plasmawr promotes peace and a happy, healthy environment?
I believe that the effort that Plasmawr has put into promoting peace is phenomenal. There are so many clubs that have been established in the school. For example, DYFAN and DYFAN, who will help promote different rights. For example, gay rights or feminism, they help promote girls' rights and things like that. So I believe that Plasmawr are very good at keeping the school an equal place and that is happy for everyone.
Do you feel that the teachers promote peace and help the situation?
I feel as though within lessons they don't do much to help, but when you get to the higher parts such as the offices down in the Key Stage 3, the Key Stage 4, they do a lot to help sort of minorities' rights such as homosexuals, race, religion, a lot of that sort of stuff. But I think there's also a lot we can do as well. Like, you don't really see many minorities in our school. It's, I'm not trying to say much wrong there, but you know.
So DYFAN, how do you think you're helping the school with peace?
Well, many children are in DYFAN and HEDDWCH, which are trying to fight for equality.
Do you do anything to support that?
No, not really. I haven't.
Iawn. Sut mae Plasmawr yn hyrwyddo heddwch? Byddwn ni'n dweud bod y ffaith bod disgyblion yn dod o pob math o gefndiroedd, pob math o deuluoedd, pob math o grefyddau a chredoau yn dangos ein bod ni yn gallu cydfyw, yn gallu dysgu o'n gilydd. Fi'n credu hefyd mae'r ffaith bod addysg grefyddol yn beth defnyddiol iawn, mae'r ffaith bod addysg grefyddol yn bwnc gorfodol yn y wlad hon yn meddwl yn bod ni yn gallu dysgu o grefyddau ein gilydd a dysgu am grefyddau ein gilydd ni a dysgu sut i cydfyw.